Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to speed clean my upstairs. I am just making my bed, putting back some things. A lot of times in these videos, I feel like people are probably wondering, like, why does she not have much stuff hanging on her walls? And to be honest with you guys, there's just a lot of things that I want new. Like, I've had this bedroom suit forever, and both of my nightstands don't even match. So I'm just kind of, doing some projects around our house first, and then next we are saving for new furniture. So I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, so I just think that there's really no point in me hanging stuff on my walls and stuff like that if I don't really know what I'm doing yet. It would just kind of be a waste of money, because if it doesn't match what I end up doing. So hopefully soon we will be able to get some new furniture. First we're doing our main living room with new furniture, and then I will probably furnish our formal dining room, and then our room will honestly probably be last, just because, I don't know, our room isn't seen as much as the other rooms. But I'm just kind of cleaning up my nightstand and just wiping it down with my Norwex rag. I also just wanted to thank, I had a couple new subscribers, and I had some people leave some really sweet comments on my prior videos. It means so much to me, you have no idea. Anytime I see I get a new subscriber, I get so excited. I'm still kind of learning how to do all this, getting a lot better at it, but it's so exciting to me, and I just love YouTube and the YouTube community. So thank you so much to everyone that has commented and subscribed. Now I'm just moving on to my bathroom. I always have a hard time with figuring out how to shoot in my little closet area and in my bathroom, because it's a very narrow little hallway there to my bathroom. So I always kind of have a hard time figuring out the best way to kind of get footage in here. But I did get some new lights, so that seems to be helping. But I'm just putting away some clothes and my Norwex body rags, which are really awesome for removing makeup and things like that. But this area just kind of always gets a little bit messy, because a lot of times I'm just trying to get out of the house, so I'll get ready as fast as I can with Finn in his little over-the-door jumper, and then don't really have time to clean it up, so it'll kind of just get left this way until I get to it, usually the next day. So I always try and kind of get the house cleaned up before Tim gets home, because he does work a lot and he works really hard. So I just know if it were me coming home, I would like to come home to a clean house. So I always really try to clean up this area, just so I just feel like it's a lot less stressful of an environment when a place is clean. Just putting back all of my lotions, and then I'm going to put my face wash back into the shower. If you watch my other videos, you know that I clean with Norwex products. It's just microfiber cloth, basically, that is way different than the microfiber cloths that you can buy anywhere, that you just put water on and you can clean any surfaces with it. Right now I am using my polishing rag, and it gets everything completely streak-free with no chemicals. And yes, you can go for multiple surfaces and not have to wash it, because those microfibers, there's so many of them that they act like little fingers, and they actually pick up the bacteria and trap it inside, so they can't escape. So you can go from surface to surface and not really change your rag or rinse it out. Now, if I'm going for something very dirty, obviously I'm going to rinse it out. But as you can see, I just went from my sink to my mirror there, and I didn't switch cloths or switch cleaners or anything like that. And this mirror always gets really dirty. noticed when I was just getting ready that I have like some fingerprints on my drawers from when I'm doing my makeup, and then like kind of touch the drawers. Kind of gets like a foundation-y film on it, so I just wanted to clean that off. Then of course that was my slow-mo montage that every YouTube video needs. Once again, I'm just going with my Norwex rag and the polishing rag. I'm doing the mirrors in here. Now I do want to note that like this is not my full force cleaning routine. This is just me picking up and kind of just wiping off the surfaces because I'm disinfecting when I'm using my Norwex rag. By all means, when I am doing a full deep clean of our bedroom and our master bathroom, I would be vacuuming and cleaning my toilets and things like that. I wish I could find a better solution to Tim's stuff because it always just sits there, and those drawers right there aren't real drawers, they're fake drawers. So I think if they were drawers, he would utilize them and keep his stuff in there, but he just always sits it there, and I can't say, it drives me nuts. As awful as that sounds, like I hate stuff sitting out, and I can't really find a solution. Maybe I'll just get like a little decorative box and sit it there. Now I'm just gonna use this Method daily shower spray in my shower. I always just kind of do this. I found it cuts down on like the calcium and lime scale. Does anybody else's significant other just always leaves their clothes on the floor, and then he leaves these pants here, and I don't really know what he wants me to do with them, if he's like gonna wear them again, or like if I'm supposed to wash them.
Hi. How you doing? That nap, huh? Careful. Still a little weeble wobbly, huh? You gonna stand up and say hello? There he is. Look at that hair. Say hello. Hi. Hi. Look at this hair. Are we getting curls? Okay? Should we clean up your room a little bit? Huh? Yeah. Yeah? Should we clean up your room a little bit? I think so. Yeah, I'll get you some toys so you can play for a little bit.
Now I will just do a quick pickup of Finn's room. That picture in the background, I really need to get hung up. We want to hang it over his crib, but it's just like one of those canvases, and it's like kind of open in the back, so I just want to make sure that it's hung in a safe way. So Tim really needs to get on that. Then I'm just sitting out more diapers. I used to keep them in like a fancy thing, but it's just easier just to set them there and grab them, especially in the night. And Finley's been sick, so all of his like medicine and stuff's just kind of sitting there. I'm going to pre-fill his oil diffuser with lavender, so I don't have to do it tonight. That's already done. And then I just go ahead and like kind of just organize like his medicine and his Vicks and stuff like that. We never leave him in his room unattended, so it's not a big deal that I'm just sitting his stuff out like that. There you see the picture on the floor there where I was talking about, and then above his crib there, you'll see that I did once hang him with command hooks. I did have like his changing table there before, and it didn't hold it up, so I obviously wasn't going to put it back there. Now this is a rare sight. This is London's room. I don't record in here too often because I really have been trying to leave it up to them to keep their rooms clean, but I have found that I do still need to go in once a week and just straighten up, because I just feel like 8-year-old kids just don't really understand full force organization in the method that I would like it to be organized. So I always just go back in and kind of just straighten things up. Actually, Gunner's room was almost perfect, so I actually didn't even have to go into his room today. But London is my messy child. I don't really know when she became messy, but she is, and it's something, let me tell you. Does anybody else have a messy 8-year-old or a kid around 8-year-old? And if you have and they're messy, have you found anything that works? I'm desperate. So that was just a quick clean sweep of her room. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below or at the end here. You can hit my picture when it comes up and subscribe there. Hit the like button, I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.